You watching him, Cal? You guys gonna be buddies? Yeah? That was good. That was good. Hello, you guys. I think he likes you, Cal. Do you like him? Do you like Michael? Do you like him? What do you think, Cal? Is he funny? Are you sharing your Cheerios with him? Yeah. That's your buddy. There's your buddy. You gotta show him how to pick up the food and put it in his mouth, Cal. You gotta teach him. You wanna learn that, Michael? You wanna learn how to eat some Cheerios? Yeah.